Looking to update your work information on your Facebook page? Let's walk through the steps on how to edit your workplace details with this comprehensive guide. To get started, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Pages from the menu options. Next, switch to the specific page you want to make changes to by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Choose the page you wish to edit. Now, tap on your page's profile picture. Look for the edit icon at the top right corner of the screen and give it a tap. Scroll down on the page and find the option to edit your About info at the bottom. Within this section, locate the Work category and tap the pencil icon next to your current workplace. Select Edit Workplace to make changes to your work information. Update the details as needed and ensure they are accurate. Once you've made the necessary changes, tap Save at the bottom of the screen to save your updated workplace information. Congratulations! You have successfully edited your work details on your Facebook page. Keep your profile up to date with these simple steps. Stay tuned for more informative guides on managing your social media presence effectively. Thank you for watching.